Good morning everybody, and welcome to an early session on the Murray River. It is a Sunday morning and beautiful weather conditions up here somewhere near the South Australian border, Mildura sort of way. Can't exactly tell you where because I followed Alvanston in here and had no idea where I was going, but anyway, we're here. So it's beautiful conditions. The river looks amazing. We're just going to trawl some lures, flick some spinnerbaits at some logs, fish with a few little yabbies, and just spend a day on the river and hopefully pick up a few fish and be a good day. So anyway, it's pretty quiet up here, so there's a few people around, a few campsites, but I suppose the cooler weather turns all the skiers off, but all us fishermen are out and about, and hopefully we get something today on the video, and it'll be good. So all right, keep tuned and get back to you soon. Oh, we got a good fish on here. What do we got? I reckon it's big yellow belly. Oh, look at that. There he is in there. Oh, we get him out, measure him, and cool. First native for the weekend. Awesome. Well everyone, it's a beautiful evening here on the Murray River. We've had a pretty good day fishing, even though we've only caught one native fish, but it was a good fish. It was like 45 centimeters. Al Vanston from Wimmera Fish Hunters has got a few fish, so look up his YouTube channel as well if you're watching mine. And so I got a couple of carp this morning, which so we're just doing one more run of trawling down this stretch of river, and hopefully we might get another one just on dark. Just change the lures from sort of a lightish green colour to a bit darker, but fish are going a bit quiet, so we'll see how we go the next 15 minutes. If not, we'll pack it up and we'll try again in the morning. But the yellow belly that I got was a nice fish, so which it got released to fight another day. But there's a lot of bait balls here, so we're sort of driving through those, and we found the fish through those, and hopefully there's a few more to catch. But it's getting on dark, even though the weather is nice. It's no wind or anything like that, but it's a beautiful evening. So we'll fish for the next 15 minutes and then head back to camp. All right, and and we'll fish overnight and then try again in the morning. All right, we'll catch you soon. Good morning and welcome to the last day of the Murray River. We'll see, looks like this rod here on the left might have a fish on it, so we'll see what that is. The rod on the right is a bit, it's not as tight, but this one here, something's going on with that one, so we'll see what's going on there. We'll wind them in. We'll see how we go. Beautiful morning here, nice and calm. It's not real cold, so no wind. Great. So we'll just grab the net just in case before we start to go out trawling. Oh yeah, she's got a fish on it, got a good fish on it. Feels alright. What do we got? Dirty old carp. There we go. He's yeah, he's not going to swim again today. Anyway, I'll get rid of him, and then I'll wind in the other rod. So now back out in the boat, driving down to the spot where we were getting a few fish yesterday. Yeah, got dirty old carp this morning. I thought it was something else because it took a yabby, so just got 2 lures on this morning, just trawling down there with the petrol motor. When we get down there, I'll put down the electric to yeah, make it a bit quieter. And yeah, so just got a small lure on that side in case there's a yellow belly, bigger lure on this side in case there's a cod. Yeah, so we're into it for a few hours today and pack up just after lunch to head home. Come up here to fish for cod and yellow belly, but it's been a bit quiet, so I thought I'd come down the creek here and see if we can have some fun fishing for some carp, because there's a bit of green algae in the water, so thought we might have a bit of a fish for some stinking old carp and yeah, have a bit of fun. So anyway, we'll see if we can find a carp hotel and we'll get into it. Alrighty, be back to you soon. Oh, we've just come in to fish in the creek and just had a big bite. We don't know what it is. I think it's a carp. Stinking old mud marlin again. But there's a fish. We saw him come in on the sounder. Now we'll get him in and get rid of him. Just a bit of fun today. There he is in there. That's all right. I'll get rid of him and yeah, put the worm back in the water. All right, get back to you soon. Another bite here. Is he going to take it? Oh, he's trying. He's moving the line. Oh, we got him. We got him. It's just another carp, I reckon. Oh. Yep, no. Whoa, this is going to be fun today. Whoa. Listen to him go. The water's green as, there's yabby holes everywhere. Better get the net. It's gonna be a carp massacre. We got him. It's just going to be a fun day catching carp because the fish aren't on the bite at the minute. So it looks like it's going to be a carpathon. Alrighty, I'll get this off and get the worm back in, but he's a good sized carp. We got Carp Central here. We're at the Carp Hotel. And we're causing havoc. Should have brought me smaller net. Anyway. We'll get rid of him too. Look at the Carp Hotel, they're everywhere. Got another big carpio on here. He took that, he mightn't be that big. He took it hard. Where'd he go? He's out. Oh, I better get up and get the net. There he is. Out of the Carp Hotel. He's out. He's exited the building. Alright, we'll get him off and get the worm back in so we can get another one. We're losing count how many we're catching. But today is Carp Day. Get rid of them out of the river. Swap to a new spot. Said something, grab this straight away. Which is a good sign. A lot of little trees here. So anyway, we'll thread the worm back on and see what happens again. Alrighty. All we're doing is just dropping the line straight down. It's about 3.5 metres deep. Dropping it down, putting it in the holder, lock it in, just wind it up so it's tight. Couple of turns off the bottom, and just sit and wait. Got a fish on here. What do we got? I'd say it's another carp. Got to get him out of the sticks. He's fighting hard. Haven't seen him yet. He's a big carp. Big fella, this one. He's a huge carp. Oh, oh, I missed him with the net. Oh, we're having some fun here. Oh. He's a monster. Wow. He'd be... Oh. Don't get off. I want to see how big you are. Oh, he saw the net and ducked under it. He's not happy. Wow, have a look at that. Got him! Oh, freaking hell. He's a monster. Have a look at that. Wow. He's a big fella, that fella. Jesus. Oh, that is a big carp. Wow. Whew, good fun. This must be the Daddy and Mummy's Carp Motel because that's huge. Anyway, I'm going to get him off. All right, we'll get back to you soon. There's the carp I just caught. There's my foot. My foot looks tiny to it. It actually comes in at 71 centimetres. So what a monster. On a scrub worm. Just fishing up this little creek, just for something to do. Oh, here comes a big pelican. Maybe he might want to feed. There's a few of his mates down there. So anyway, it's yeah, 71 centimetre carp, big fella. But yeah, he fought like crazy. I'm not sure if I got it on the GoPro before the battery went flat, but hopefully I did. And yeah, but other than that, there he is. So another pest out of the water. All right, let's get another one. Well everyone, that's a wrap for fishing down this little creek. Yeah, it was a bit of good fun, like big carp, and yeah, lots of carp in one spot, and there's lots of yabby holes in the sides of the banks here, so when the yabbies are going, I'd say they're going here. They probably still are, so got no yabby nets with me, so but yeah, no, it's not a bad little spot. Just bad luck, the water's got a bit of algae in it. So even if I had got a decent fish, I wouldn't have kept it. So yeah, but no, all good fun. So the creek, it's fairly wide for some sort of creek. I have no idea what it's called, but yeah, no, just to fill in a bit of a few hours of fishing, so that was good. A lot of structure here, so I'd say when there's fish going here, it'd be going pretty good. So, but it's a creek off the Murray River, so I don't know what it's called. But yeah, anyway, I don't know if you can get to it by road or anything, no idea. But the yeah, the carp were good fun. Big one was a bit of a laugh trying to get it in the net, but other than that, good day. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.